In this video, I'll show you how to copy a message on Discord on PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, if you want to copy a message on Discord, it's pretty easy, right? So at first, you need to have a Discord account. And for you to make this happen, you can copy, let's say, what you have posted previously, or you can basically like type in something and copy it again, right? So I can come on here and type hello family, right? So once I'm done, I'm gonna click on the enter button. So for you to copy this, what you're gonna do now, you're gonna right click your mouse, right? You're gonna right click your mouse. You're gonna see this. I'll click on it. I can come here and do this, right? So you can see this is basically how you can copy a message on Discord on PC. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for hanging around to the end of this video. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.